Hello, and thank you for taking a look at this homework, a necessity in math video for RAI Charter School. My name is Cheryl Brown, and I am the math teacher here for the high school level. And this semester, I'm doing something a little bit different in our math classes because I found that students needed more practice. So homework is going to take three different forms, and as a parent and a student, you need to know where to find your homework. First of all, to find your homework, go to raicharter.org, which is where our homepage is. Then you'll scroll to your math class, whether it be integrated geometry, pre-calculus. You'll scroll to whatever week it is. It'll look a little bit like this. Usually the number comes first. So this is an example of week February 3rd through February 9th. Now to look, for example, you would look on this in the what we call Moodle, which is our learning management system we use here at RAI. And on Monday, it has three things listed: IXL Ordinal, Apex 1.13.3 quiz, and then some more information. What that does, we broke down our homework. I have broken the semester into three basic formats. One would be what I call IXL practice. IXL is an internet-based program which allows students to practice a skill over and over again until they learn to do it correctly. There's no punishment. I would like students to do 20 problems correctly. They might do all 20 correctly the very first time. It might take 25 problems before 20 are done correctly. It breaks the skills into little pieces. Then additionally, sometimes I'm asked for a second assignment to be done, and that's this case. I'm looking for Apex 1.13.3 quiz. So they'll go into their Apex, find 1.13.3, and take that quiz. Now, if any time a student needs more help, I will often put for more information C, and then I will give them an idea of where to go looking. So for example, this one says look at Apex 1.13.1, and at this point most students should know that that's a study, and it goes through all kinds of details there. They can also print and download notes in order to help them focus as they go through the study. Then Tuesday, for example, is just Apex practice. A practice is a written assignment, and in the future this will have little asterisks by them to remind students that these are written assignments. They will print them, complete them, and then at the end of the week they will scan and upload these assignments. Now, in order to track their homework, I actually created a Word document with the same list. It's down here. That has a little W for Word, and they can download that and save it into a folder for their class. And that list actually includes the same links, so they can go straight to the IXL practices. They don't have to come back to Moodle. Additionally, they can print it and show a parent or as a way of reminding themselves what needs to be done. At the end of the week, I would like students to upload all of those assignments. Now, not all of them are written assignments, so a couple things that I've done is, number one, I have allowed students to wait until to have them in by the Monday of the next week. I have chosen to do that to give students an opportunity to ask questions. Because we do not meet on a daily basis, they will then have the opportunity to ask more questions. They can also email questions. I will answer those as well. On Tuesday it is late. Wednesday it would be a 0. One missed packet will lead to academic probation. Because a packet includes many days of homework, if a student does not do any of the homework, then we need to put them on academic probation, and then a meeting, you will get a phone call as a parent. If you're a student, your parent will get the phone call, and then hopefully the issue will be resolved. Now, some students may not know how to upload an assignment. To upload your assignment, or your packet, you will go to raicharter.org, same place, find that same week, and it will say upload homework packet, week of whatever it might be. So you'll click on that. When you click on that, you'll get another screen that will say add submission. So then you go to the add submission screen. In your add submission screen, it will tell you up here in the top, submit your scorecard, all practice assignments, and your IXL report. So there's going to be several files added here. I'll talk more about the IXL report in a moment. All practice assignments. So for example, on Tuesday of that week, there were 2 written practice assignments. Those would need to be uploaded here. When you're all done, you'll click Save Changes, and now I have a copy of all the work you've done. IXL reports. Unfortunately, IXL was not designed to be a grade book. It was not really designed for the classroom. I'm sure they're going to be doing lots of modifications on it, but it's a great program nonetheless. It allows students to practice over and over again little skills that will then translate into a complete understanding of a topic. It's important when students work in IXL that they log in, and what that does records all their progress. In order to send the report to me at the end of the week, they need to go to the Reports tab. They'll scroll to the bottom of the screen, and it should look something like this, with a colorful pie chart. Not look exactly like this, but something like it. Take a picture or a screenshot of that. If you need to learn how to do that, ask a parent, students, or ask me, or Google search it. You're all pretty internet savvy. Then save that report to your computer, and when you go to do your upload, you'll include that. That concludes our homework is a necessity in math. It is very important that students are doing their homework every day. As parents, I hope you are checking that because I cannot see them every single day. I rely on your participation to make this experience be a successful one. Thank you, and have a great day.